and now it's all leveled. So the next step is to sand. Actually, yeah, rough sand, or if you have a handheld planer, you're going to want to do that first. But we obviously don't want to be starting with 100 grit sandpaper. And I'm actually going to be starting with some 36 grit. I also recently bought a planer, a battery-powered Makita handheld planer. Again, you're going to want to start with the rough sand job. First, I'm going to make sure that my sandpaper isn't going to fall off. That should be good. Let's start sanding. So we just finished the rough sand. It feels smoother than it used to, but it doesn't feel that good. Change out the sandpaper. I'm now moving on to some 80 grit sandpaper. It will make it a lot smoother, get rid of some of those directional lines. Okay, so we've got the 80 grit sandpaper on now. Okay, let's move right on to the 100 grit sandpaper. So after this, I'm going to move on to the random orbital sander with 120 grit. And after that, I might do a quick hand sand with 400. We'll see how smooth it is. Alright guys, this is feeling really good. So what we're going to do now is move on to the orbital sander. Alright, this has turned out pretty well. Oh, that is very smooth. I don't think we're going to need to do the 400 grit sandpaper. I think that'll just be a bit of a waste. We need to break up the chisel and the hand, and we're going to need to get rid of all the edges. Cut off almost an inch off the whole edge. We got these 3 chisels. So I'm going to start off with the big one mostly. I might go to the medium if there's some of the more intricate stuff. You're going to want to pick a ring and sort of follow that one. Careful when you're hammering, don't hit your hand. Like I just did. Wow. Oh. So I actually went out 3 or 4 lines there. That is whole edge off. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Now we are working on we're gonna go to sanding the edges. Cardboard, wood, stain, paper towel stuff for stain, and we need one more thing, rubber gloves. Got some gloves. Actually, I should shake this up first. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but shake like this. Just about a different spot, and then you're gonna start wiping it on. I often use my knuckles like that, right on the point that's got the most stain, so you can really just push it in there. I find that this works really well for that. So since it's not really coming off anymore, I'm gonna just do it again. Wow, that knot is really coming out nicely now. But I chose the side with the knot. Now I'm just gonna unfold this paper and fold it back in half again on this side. I'm gonna go on a whiter part. I'm just gonna rub all over it. Go in, put it in strokes like this. Actually, I have a tool for this. The best tool for taking the stain off, a piece of wood, and you just go like this. Maybe this isn't the best tool. This stain that I'm using is called Danish oil. The stain color is light walnut. This isn't walnut wood, but it works. It looks nice. Now I'm going to start on the edges. Okay, so it looks like the stain is done. What's up guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be making a part 2 for the legs. Stick around, we'll finish it next time.